Understanding the basics of the law of attraction. At its core, the law of attraction operates on the belief that like attracts like. It suggests that the energy we emit, through our thoughts, feelings, and vibrations, draws similar energies and experiences into our lives. Imagine your thoughts as magnets, drawing to you circumstances and events that resonate with the energy you emit. In essence, the law of attraction proposes that we are active participants in the creation of our own reality. The law of attraction is not a new idea. Philosophers, thinkers, and spiritual leaders throughout history have touched upon its principles in various forms. However, the modern understanding of the law of attraction gained widespread attention with the release of the documentary, The Secret, in 2006. This film presented the concept in a relatable way, drawing on interviews with experts who expounded on the power of positive thinking and intention. As intriguing as it sounds, the law of attraction is not without its skeptics and critics. Some view it as an oversimplification of complex life experiences, while others question its scientific validity. However, delving into the depths of the law of attraction reveals that it's not just wishful thinking. It's rooted in elements of quantum physics, psychology, and spirituality that come together to form a unique perspective on the workings of the universe. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on motivation and productivity.